Hi and welcome back to this WordPress course. That's the difference between a post and a page. The best way to see this is to see it by an example. So the first thing we'll do is create a post. We had created this post. Earlier we created a post by going to new and then clicking on post. In this one, you'll come to the dashboard, then you can click on add new, or you can view all posts. So let's go to all posts and see the posts that we have. So let's add a new post. So this will be new post 1. Then you can add images. Let me add one image, add media, then upload. You can drag files here if you already have them open. So I'll select. If this was a real website, you need to add at least an alt text, which is good for SEO. Then I will insert that into my post. I change the size by going to the edit menu, so I just go and edit it right there. If you want to expand the editor, just click on that and you'll see more. So on the editor here, you can do different things with this. Let's say that is a title, heading 1. We'll add a heading. So you just do that, come here and make it heading 1. If you also want a heading 2, just copy that, Ctrl V, select it, give it heading 2. If you want to underline these ones, you just come here, underline it. If you want to change the color of it, you can change its color right here, give it that color. If you want to add a link, so you'll just select it, then insert link. You'll add the link right there. Or if you have other pages already, you can just come here and see which other pages you have on your website that you want to link to. You just select them. But in this case, I want to link to an outside link. So I'll post that link there, then add link. Click on add link. So the link is added. If you want to list items, let's just take this to a new line. Then you say that you want to list these items. You just come here, click that, and they are listed. Or you want to list them by numbers, you click that, and they're listed by numbers. Let's give that a block quote. Click on that, it will give it a block quote. So in this post, right now it is a draft. Visibility public. You can change the visibility if you want it to be password protected, if you want it to be private, if you want it to stick. A sticky post is a post that will always be at the top. Regardless of how many posts you make, it will always be the first post on your homepage. But only if your homepage is showing all your blog posts. So you can choose a password protected. You'll just enter the password there. If you want this post not to be visible to everyone, you'll create a password. If you want it to be private, okay, you can make it to be a private page, but in most cases you won't really need to change any of this. It will just be on public. So okay, once you change any of those, make sure you click on this okay down here, then publish immediately. This is one of my favorite features in WordPress. So let's say you're going on a vacation and you don't want your blog to be idle, and you also don't want to be typing on your computer all the time. I mean, it's your vacation. So what you can do, you'll create lots and lots of posts at once, then you come here and schedule them. So if you want it to be published on 10th October, on October I mean, you'll choose the date 1, then you click OK. Then you can see you'll be able to schedule it. That's for the first post. Then you come and you create another post. You come and schedule it for 10th October, maybe the 2nd or the 4th, however you want them spaced. You will do that right here. So you can schedule it here. I don't want to schedule this post. What is the date? September 15th. So these are post formats. I never use any of this because my post has a picture, it has text, and sometimes it even has videos. So I just leave it as standard. There are themes that support this, there are themes that don't really support this. Most of the times I just ignore this. Then we have categories. You can add a new category, let's say news, then add category. So don't go all crazy with categories. Just make sure the categories are useful and the categories are used to categorize the posts. So if you're making your posts and you give them the right category, you can even create links to these particular categories. I will show you how to do that once we create different posts with different categories. The purpose of categories is to group the posts. So group them in a decent manner so that when you create links to them, it doesn't have different mixtures of posts. So for me, in most cases, I usually just do one category that categorizes that particular post and under which category I want it to be. Then tags are just a way for to tag the post. Separate it by a comma if I want to add another one. Then we have featured images. Then if I come here and we show these elements because they are not being shown down here. You want to add author, discussion, then I close that. So if I come down here, you can create an excerpt for this post. It shows the author. If you want to allow comments, you can allow comments. If you don't want comments, you can close comments. So I will come and publish. So I will end this video right here, but once I stop the recording, I will add more posts so that we can have different examples to work with. Okay, see you in the next video where we'll continue with posts and pages.